Hello, in this video we'll discuss how to manually settle purchase invoices with their payments in Splendid Accounts. For that, we'll click on Purchases. At the end, we get the settlement option. We'll click on it. Click on Add Vendor Settlement. Select the vendor whose invoices you want to settle. We'll select the vendor here. The payment we made to the vendor payment amount is shown here, and it will also show you how much amount has been adjusted and the remaining balance. Since this was partially paid, the balance amount is showing up here, and the balance amount for the vendor's invoice is also showing up here. So simply select the vendor here and the auto settlement box will be checked. If there are multiple payments and multiple invoices and you want to settle a specific payment against a specific invoice, just check the boxes next to them here and simply click approve and the vendor settlement will be done. Now, if I go back into this same settlement and click on vendor payments, then the status for the vendor's make payment will show as quote allocated, because the payment of 261.80 that we made to this vendor has now been fully settled. Similarly, if we go and check the invoice here, then inside the invoice too, you'll see the status as quote paid, showing that this entire invoice has been settled against these payments. So this is how we can manually settle invoices with their payments in Splendid Accounts. Thank you.